Use the Microsoft Teams Channel app to display your Teams posts and announcements directly to your screens. It's a great way to keep everyone updated and engaged with the latest team news. Just note that this app is only available on the Premium and Enterprise plans. To create the Microsoft Teams Channel app, go to the Apps tab and add Teams Channel. Give the app a name and an optional description. Log into your Microsoft account, then select the team and channel. Choose what you want to display: announcements, posts, or both. Set the number of posts you want to display and the duration. Then select how often you want the posts feed to refresh and update. If you're displaying videos, you can choose to show the videos in full length, which will override the post duration. You can also enable sound for videos here. Customize the style settings by choosing the orientation and font. You can upload a company logo to accompany the display if you want. Toggle on or off Show Author, QR code, progress tiles and display image based on your needs. If you choose to display the image, select the positioning. Choose a theme for the app. Then you can set the default duration for how long the app will appear in a playlist. Keep availability unticked if you don't want to schedule the app, or toggle it on and set the start and expiration dates. This means the app will not be displayed outside of these dates. Then click Save and your app will be ready to display.